Hi everyone and welcome back. I have a master lock model 150. It's a 50 mil padlock, 5 pins. There's the key. Key works. Now this one, let's put this out of the way, is another in my Unguttables series. I have drilled out the Bible plugs and replaced them with grub screws to get pictures of the insides for the Bell Tap website. Let's get this picked and see what's in it. Tensioning with, is this a 1.2 mil? I think, yeah, it fits. Pry bar and picking with a 25,000 Sparrows high reach. All right, let's get to it. One is binding. Falset. 2 is springy. 3 is binding. Counter rotation. I feel like we probably dropped one there. What was that? 2, 3, 4 is binding, I think. Counter rotation, yep. And 5. Was that 5 or 4? I might have skipped one. Yeah, 5 is binding. Counter rotation. There we go. Lost our false set. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Counter rotation from 2. There we go. It's a high lift. 3 was binding. 4 dropped. There we go. 5 is binding. There we go. Back to 1. 1 dropped. There we go. Back in our false set. 2 is springy. 3 is binding. Got it. 4 dropped. It's binding. Got that. 5 is binding, getting counter rotation. I'm gonna bounce the pick on 5. There we go. 4 was binding. 3. 2 is springy. 1 is binding. There we go. Still false set. I'm gonna go to the back. 5. Or is that 4? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 5. 5, 4. 5 had dropped. I just shoved it back up. 3 binding there, and it's open. It's a little bit of ping pong there. Definitely a little bit of work. I'm gonna lock that back up. Let's have a look and see what's in there. Definitely some spools. There's 1, tweezers. Here we go. Steel spring. A serrated standard in 1, lightly serrated. standard key pin. Steel spring in 2, a spool driver, and a very short key pin. Oh yeah, spring. Steel spring. Spool in 3, standard key pin. Whoop. There we go. Steel spring in 4. Spool, standard key pin, and 5. There we go. A spool in 5 with a standard key pin. So that's it. That's all that's in there. The keyway is fairly roomy. I was tensioning with a 1.2 mil that fits almost perfectly. 1.3 is too big. And 25 thousandths hook fits right up the middle between the wording. Like a dream. No thin hooks for this one. Alright, let's get a close up here. Spools and a serrated standard in 1, and serrated key pins, or sorry, standard key pins. Alright, that's all I've got for you. The Master Lock Model 150, picked and gutted. Thanks very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.